just late nights, no school tomorrow, so it's alright. Remember living every day to see the weekend, but when the summer came, every day was weekend. Flashback of those days in the summer shade, drinking on that Kool-Aid that your mama made, giving God all the glory for the passing grades. No summer school, so vacation cool. Can't swim, but you still gonna hit the pool. One rule, parents make you go to Sabbath school. Stayed up late, now you sleeping in Sunday school. Lipstick on your cheek, yeah, we know who did it. Grandma showing you love cause you really need it. Sunday dinner